Hey everybody, I'm making a video, another video at least, on this, this looney bird mechanism. I made a video on the looney bird mechanism, and I decided I want to bring it back, okay fine, like 22 hours later, and, try to get him on a stage, because why not? We're gonna make like Billy Bob stage or something, and maybe even make Billy Bob. But this is just a cardboard box that I grabbed, that I got, and this is what we're gonna use for a stage, probably. Sorry if the camera's backwards. The camera's backwards because I'm recording on my computer. Which, if you didn't know, when I'm recording on my computer is because I can't really find an SD card for my camera, so that kind of sucks. But luckily, very soon I will buy an SD card. I'll have to go by Walmart or Target or something soon, so I can pick up an SD card, so I can do some nice videos. So let's get to it. I have no idea where to start. So probably first we're gonna make a hole in it for the stage. Is my best guess. Let's see. So that one's that way. It's okay. What size is it? So I'm gonna make a hole over here. That means for me, that's where Looney Bird normally is, unless you count Billy Bob's Wonderland. Let's see. I'm just gonna use scissors to make the hole because, yeah. Let's see. So it should be the hole right here. And try to twist. This is gonna be tricky. I can already tell. I'm gonna stick one of these through here, because that's how I controlled it during the video. I used these. Okay. There we go. Now we have Looney Bird's mechanism. I might have to change it up a little bit for the sake of, having it like it is. I'm gonna need some duct tape because I don't really want to put any hot glue on that right now. So we're gonna go safer options than hot glue because I don't want to put hot glue all over my nice-ish water things, little cylinders, I guess. Darn it! I hate when tape gets stuck together. Yeah, that's probably okay. I can just pop it on there. Hopefully this will work. I'm actually gonna take this off, So I'm gonna take this off for how it's gonna be. I might have to use a different rod for it. Alright, let's test that. Let's just control it. Oh, that actually looks not bad. This might be a shorter video than I thought. Okay, fine, it's like 4 minutes. So he goes down. I might be able to lift the can up a little higher. And then he pops up. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. I might make the rod a little smaller. But wow, we already have Looney Bird. I will be doing some updates on him, just to let you know. But for now, that's the end of this video, because that was actually so much more successful. That was actually so much more successful than I thought it would be. I thought that was going to take so much longer. But it actually worked. I just took up the can. It's fine. I'll take the can on.